Persistence Part 1. I had a problem with my bushings on my control arms, my left and right control arms, and I knew that this was going to be an expensive job to do if I were to take it to a shop. Replacing the bushing, the ball joints, everything that goes with that. $928. I got one quote. Others probably would have been higher. $928 to replace the left and right control arms on this vehicle. Never done it before, but I was determined. I had to set myself up. First of all, I needed a place, and I needed time, and number three, all the tools to do the job, which I made sure I had, and backup tools also. I knew I had to start early. The weather had to be just right, and I had to be in a place where I would not be hindered. All of that fell into place. The main element in this project was this tension rod. It stands about this far off the ground. It's a long rod that goes from the front of the vehicle to about the center of the vehicle. This was in a way of removing the control arm, the lower control arms. It had to be removed. I was hoping it wasn't going to take all that, but you had to remove this control arm because this rod goes through the control arm, and the control arm mounts on the side of it. Where it actually mounts the control arm, at least the back of it. Okay, it looks like this piece here needs to be taken out, but it's under pressure from this torsion. This is called a torsion piece here. That's pressure down on there, so that maybe I'm going to have to take my